Hi everyone. My name is Ashley, and I'm going to do another cover, which is gospel. And this song is entitled "Make Me Over" by Tonex. I hope you like it. I'm just learning it, so bear with me. And if you don't like it, then that's fine. Here it is. You know my other side. I can no longer hide, let you down so many times since freshly crucified. Thought that I had a plan. I had it all figured out. But the more that you tried to be by my side, the more I pushed you out. Lord, make me over. Lord, make me over. Lord, make me over. Make me over again. Make me over again. Yeah. Make me over again. Make me over again. Time after time I failed you. Pierced your side when they already nailed you. Jesus healed my open wound. I just want to be more like you. Father, I let you down. Wasn't like you just take it out. Reconcile me, Jesus. I just wanna please you. Wash me and make me whole. Lord, make me over. Lord, make me over. Lord, make me over. Make me over again. Make me over again. Oh Lord, make me over again. Yes, make me